How to make money with Credit Suisse silver bars. Hole KB2308 Assade 437.45 meters grading 53 grams TAG equivalent and 1.16% combined lead zinc including 189.92 meters grading 88.5 grams TAG equivalent and 2.00% combined lead zinc and also including 11.65 meters grading 207.7 grams TAG equivalent and 4.92% combined lead zinc. According to Kootenay Gold President Ken Berry, the results we're seeing are even better than the results we released in December with much longer intersections of higher grades of mineralization. The mineralized zones conform closely with the 3D IP survey signature, which outlines an anomaly of 1.6 kilometers by 900 meters which is L-shaped with widths ranging between 250 and 600 meters. To date, the 3D IP chargeability anomaly at Promontorio has proven to be an exceptionally accurate predictive tool for identifying mineralization and drill targeting. Given the large extent of this anomaly and corresponding alteration at surface, the pace of exploration will be stepped up. A second drill rig will be sourced and added to the program to assist in drilling an expanded program in the order of an additional 35,000 meters or approximately 100 holes. Also, detailed mapping and sampling of the new mineralized zones discussed in the May 14, 2008 news release is underway. This will be followed by trenching and likely further geophysical surveys. Additional targets will be drill tested where warranted. Kootenay will also initiate a regional exploration program on the 90,000-hectare Promontorio property where a third drill rig will be added to drill test these targets based on results of the preliminary work. Kootenay is in a strong financial position to underwrite the stepped-up exploration. The company has $8 million on hand and has just announced an $11 million private placement at $2.20 share. Drilling encountered wide to moderate intervals of high-grade silver-gold polymetallic breccias in a porphyry breccia setting. Results received to date report 20 of the 22 holes intersected significant precious and base metal mineralization starting from surface and extending to depth. These results indicate that the individual breccias drilled in the first phase are part of a single large mineralized system with distinct characteristics indicative of a porphyry system. Accordingly, drill data suggests the Promontorio may contain a deposit of a larger scale and scope than previously conceived. Less than 10% of the IP indicated anomaly has now been tested, said Jim McDonald. We will be stepping out on the next set of holes to 100 and 150 meters. So if we encounter strong mineralization as we step out, the value and tonnage of the deposit will increase accordingly. On May 6, the 2008 exploration program on the Jumping Josephine Gold Project in southeast British Columbia has commenced with diamond reeling and a 40-kilometer line kilometer 3D-induced polarization survey. Line cutting is currently underway to facilitate the geophysics. Early in 2008, Astral completed its obligations under the option agreement with to earn a 60% undivided interest in the JJ Gold Project. The companies are now completing a formal joint venture agreement and have formed a management committee which will direct all future exploration work on the project. Initial drilling will be focused on infilling and expanding the auriferous structurally controlled quartz stockwork zone at JJ Main. Subsequently, other gold targets currently defined on the property will be drilled in addition to geochemical targets and targets identified by the 3D IP survey. The drill program is anticipated to comprise up to 10,000 meters to be carried out in 2 phases. Further geochemical surveys, geological mapping and trenching will also be carried out as part of the 2008 exploration program. Under the terms of each option agreement, Klondike can earn a 50% undivided interest in the mineral concession by incurring or funding a minimum of $1,000,000 in exploration expenditures in stages over 3 years and issuing 500,000 shares to Kootenay in stages over 2 years. In order for Klondike to earn an undivided interest in all 6 mineral concessions, Klondike must incur or fund minimum exploration expenditures totaling in the aggregate $6,000,000 and issue to Kootenay an aggregate of 3,000,000 shares. The options are subject to Klondike obtaining regulatory approval. Kootenay will continue drilling this year on Promontorio as its joint venture partners continue to make progress on the various programs underway on these properties, so there will never be a shortage of news for investors.